Hey guys, Chris from Tentworld Tweed Heads here. Today we're just showing you guys a new flat pack Darche fire pit. It's a 3-piece kit. Comes with your heat guard for the ground so you don't damage any brass. The actual pit itself, and you do have this adjustable grill that you can put on top so you can cook with it. So like I said guys, it's a flat pack kit, so this is the bag it comes in. As you can see, it's pretty tiny and it only weighs 4.5 kilos, so it's great for little weekend trips away. So this is the grill plate guys. As you can see, it's not huge, but it is good enough for 2 people to get a good meal on. If you want guys, this is available in store now, or you can get online at tentworld.com.au.